That's where they fry air conditioner. I will air this bitch out. You understand that? You gonna have to go, sir.
You will have to go too.
Who gonna make me?
Dude, you don't know who is this, bro. You
I
don't
want.
know. Bro, it's better to not say and do not do nothing because, bro,
I do what I want.
Excuse me.
with this thing, bro, I'm gonna.
Oh shit, my fault. My fault.
Damn,
Ah,
my
man.
fuck. She just wanted to kiss RJ.
I tripped getting up. Damn it.
RJ, don't do it. She's a little girl.
Let me be.
Don't. Oh hell no.
I'm about
Get
to
in.
say what's up with it.
Get in there, RJ.
I'm about to say stop saying my name like that. It's kind of creepy, dog.
Get in there, RJ.
That's my name. That's for her.
You went in 3.2. Mr. Hey, I'll get to you in a minute. Mr. Don Bus, get him.
Yeah, suck my balls.
About to say psych. Get out of my face.
Man, get in this room.
Why don't you make me?
All right, never mind. Don't need.
Stupid.
I mean, you said pop out. Me and my mother, we pop out when told to.
You went outside by yourself and look stupid by yourself.
I'll get the members down here.
Boy, you dress like a
Can I
ninja.
can I visit my friend in jail?
And let me get some members down at PD.
The hell?
Nah, it's cool.
Man.
Can I
Yeah,
visit
you
my
didn't
friend?
get that happy, bro.
Officer to the
What you say?
interrogation room for search.
What I say? You heard me.
Nah, repeat that one more time. I'll ask you.
Why you gotta call your mama and your daddy?
You refuse to give your ID?
Bro, you suck our hairy balls.
Hey, that's assault. That's assault. You
Put
just
them in
tased me.
cuffs, Don. Put them in cuffs, Don.
You ain't putting nothing in cuffs, boy. Ha 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 ha.
I already know you ain't gonna listen. Let me go on.
I will always swing first. Fuck is you talk about?
I don't know, man.
Ah!
Please. Well, I'm gonna leave now since current issues. Excuse me, officer. I apologize.
You look like you're kissing cornflakes.
You should suck me and his hairy balls.
can do business outside, not in the police force, bro. Nah, don't do business here. This is PD, bro. All right, you can do it outside, bro. All right. Please, please, you have to respect the PD rules. All right, brother. Thank you, brother. This is not a chew zone, bro. This is PD. All right. If you want to do business, you can go outside. They let us space outside to do business. All right. Thank you. I appreciate. I hope you understand what I. This is PD. All right. You can do business outside. They let us space outside. Please, brother. If you fight anybody inside this PD, I'm gonna tase you and I'm gonna arrest you. Period.
Haha, you missed. Macro, macro, macro. Where's your macro app?
I'm gonna arrest.
Are you cussing me out right now? Is that what you're doing? You're cussing me out right now? I can't. Are you really trying to? You cussing me out? Really?
My boy Brian. Let me ask you something.
What do you want?
Oh, come on now. Don't be mad.
Not about what? That my peasant is approaching me?
Bruh, are you a cadet or who was you talking to? I just wanted to know.
I'm not no cadet. I'm a real hood nigga. I beat your ass. First you said
I say if you was a hard ass, you know what?
Stop!
You're
Stop!
talking. You know what? You. Oh, you got me good. Oh, I got you.
nah, Michaela, I'm gonna be disrespectful by him.
Okay, okay. You got your leg back.
Was doing business.
Macro, buddy. Where's your macros at? Macro, buddy. Macro. None of y'all putting your macros up. And no, you can't put it up afterwards. Bruh.
Fuck you guys. Go suck my hairy balls.
So this arrest is already improper. No macros.
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one to be appointed to you. Do you understand these rights? And sir, I
I
put
want
my up right when you walked in.
So if we're just breaking rules, I'm gonna just leave the game.
Come on, man, and stop all that foolishness. I ain't got time.
Well,
She hates that.
Loki, bro, you ever heard of RP13? Macros. Where are your macros?
But
You without throwing up a macro.
I threw up my macro when you first walked in. It's okay. I don't have to explain shit to you because I got it all on body cam. I don't have time for this foolishness.
All right, then why are you explaining it to me?
Hey, you ain't got no time for this foolishness.
All right, can we hurry this process up there?
Hey, hold
Wait,
the
actually,
mic.
wait. I have a question. What am I being arrested for?
Ow.
Uh, Before you give those to me, can you tell me what those are?
What'd you say, sir?
Before you give those to me, can you tell me what they are?
A 1.7 is for hold on.
Hey, give me all you want, buddy. I don't care.
1.12 is you hitting the officers. 1.7 is you trespassing,
Wait,
coming back here, and the 3.2 is you not following directions.
I already have 5 violations for 1.12. I don't need no
Okay.
more, bro. Like, I'm being so for real. The state already gives you it.
Nah, we can get 1.12.
And then what is 2.2 for? Because I didn't disobey you. You never told me to do anything.
That's
You
the
just
first time we told everybody not to go behind those metal detectors. Stop playing.
really want to hear something crazy. Y'all never told me that. I'm being
We
so.
told everybody stop fighting and get from behind the metal detectors, and you know you can't go behind these metal detectors because I done seen you in here before. So stop it. I'm not from
Bro, that's
no.
so cap. Because this is my first day on this server ever. My first
Your
time inside
first
this.
day on your server, on this
Lying.
server.
Shut up. Shut up. No, we're done talking. Complete your arrest.
Hey,
Yeah,
just
I
shoot
know.
him already. Get him in the jail cell, bruh.
Sir, are you gonna look into this black screen for me?
Shut up.
I'm not talking to you. You're a liar.
You not? Are you gonna get inside this black screen? Look inside this
No.
black
No.
screen. Yeah.
No.
What?
Hey, I'm good, bro.
Don't
Why
even
don't you
worry
go?
about it, cause I don't need you.
I'm not doing nothing, bro. You're a liar. You
Why
said
don't
to
you
me and Mr. Hema
go?
that we've been here before. First day on the server. Thank you for lying.
It don't. Either way, you knew not to go back there.
Either way, you're still lying. I don't care. Hurry
Either
this
way,
up.
you knew not to go
Hurry
back
this up. I'm
there
not
when you
RPing.
first walked
Hurry
in.
this up.
Everybody was
Hurry
back
this
there
up.
telling you.
Hurry this up.
Hey,
Hurry
stop
this up.
talking to me.
Shut up. Out of everything in the world I hate most, liars.
No. You heard me already.
You already asked me for my state ID card.
I know, sir. Give it again.
No, I already identified myself. I don't have to twice.
Okay, give it again. All right.
If you charge me for 3.6, nah. Don't charge me for 3.6. I already gave it to you. I already identified myself. I am Haywood Urko, right? That's my 6 1.12. Thank you.
Hey, bro. I don't know if you know, but that ain't nothing. Let's go, man.
Hey, can we handle this already? Come on, bro. You're taking too long. Come on, bro. Hurry it up. No. Okay. Do all you want, little bro.
My
Suck
turn.
my balls. I'ma dangle them in your mouth.
Oh, apparently he's not in jail yet. He's a little liar. I'm so sorry, sir. I'll wait
Yeah,
back here.
nobody's here, bro.
What?
Nobody is here, bro.
Hurry it up,
I know.
Don Bus.
He's over there.
All right, all right.
I'm sorry about that.
Nah, no problem, bro. I understand you.
Since we're here, my violations, right?
Can
Yeah,
can
come on. Let me
somebody
show you
else
where
help
to
me?
take
This
picture.
guy's
Come.
going so slow.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over this kid. I hear
Come
you.
on, bro. Hurry up. I'm not moving. Bro, you're taking so slow because you gotta type in all your macros.
Wait, is this macros not like?
No. Bro,
You
come
don't need
back.
you. You don't need.
Bro, you're actually so stupid. Genuinely, flip your switch in your brain on. I'm not even kidding. Shut up.
Hello, you shut the fuck up. Hey, what are you doing here? The fuck. So, also, where's this guy? Where's
Right there.
Hey, I
why you
just put him.
running?
I just put
No,
Echo in the.
no,
He used his get out of jail free card, man.
Okay. I'm gonna let you go then. I'm going
All
out.
right, all right, Alex, man. Let him know what I said though.
Yeah. And you tell
Yeah, y'all have
Adriana's
a
that
nice
I say hi.
day. All right.
Yeah.
I just want to visit
Be
my
quick
friend,
though.
man. Okay. You know what? I surrender. I surrender. I surrender. I'm not moving. Can I just please say hi to my friend real quick?
I go see you trying.
I won't be long. I promise. Okay.
Nah, you can't help nothing. He already done got put in the
Why you?
cell, and he got right on back out. Like,
Okay. My bad. My bad. I didn't know he was.
you know he ain't supposed to be in here. And Mr. Hamad too.
You missed.
Tej, zawsze.
Just
Oh,
hide behind the cops.
Why
Hide
did he
behind the
put?
cops.
Oh,
Dang, that's aim, bro.
where?
Bruh, stop playing, bro.
Why you running?
I don't want
Guys,
to hear
let's
nothing
by the way, the podcast
You
needs to
running?
peak.
Do
about the
it.
word.
Once